Hi there, Shannon Cecilia. Today's reading is from the Fairies Oracle, and it's card number 50. And we are talking about the Arval Parrot. And in this card, we look at the energy that which we communicate through throat. Now, the energy is amplified so that the energy emanates from our being, from the throat space, as seen here, has been illuminated. Our light shines through. And this is one of the ways that our intuition tunes into the energetic pings that we receive in. And we can tell without even speaking to someone if it's a like energy and if it's curious to learn more about the energy of that other being. So I feel it's really cool that we live in the space that we do on Earth, that we get to discern who we spend more time with. And if that energetic connection amplifies our vibration, because that vibration ripples out into the universe, which is super potent. And as we shine our light through our throat chakra, our energy space, we ping out, if you will, into the energetic ley lines. That's how I see the energy coming in. It's really beautiful how we can magnetize our vibration out into the cosmos, and like attracts like. And that's how potent it is that we understand our mindset and how our thoughts and our words, our energy ripples out into the universe. And in sharing that, it's a beautiful space to segue into the amazing high priestess work that I do with my clients. It's really epic how we work together. And so anyway, sign up for a reading today and learn what it's like to work with me. I offer amazing programs for individuals. It's a bespoke one-on-one client opportunity, and it's individual sessions. I have 6-week course sessions, and I have 8-week course sessions. And I also have a beautiful Weaving the Year, and that is immersing yourself in the work, the daily practice of your own spirituality through a sacred feminine lens and the astrological archetypes. And there's a beautiful blending of work that we do. We work with the moon cycles, and we have so much abundant fun. So I invite you to investigate with curiosity and have a journey of discovery of who you really are. I'll see you soon. Ta for now.